Hello, I'm Mukesh Batra. When it comes to property investments, there is a famous saying, don't put all your eggs in one basket. But when it comes to dealing with the Moideen Group, I take exception to this adage because my experience with Moideen has been exceptional and outstanding. In fact, my association goes back about 5 years when I got in touch with the Moideen Group in early 2017 and bought a 2 BHK flat in Moideen's Aspire project in Mangur Hill. That is where I started and it has accrued me a decent rental income and till date there's been no problem. Thereafter, I invested into Moideen's Iconia project. In fact, I bought 2 of them and within no time I could let them out and very good rental income it has been fetching me all this while. And the best part that I have seen with Moideen Group is that all the liabilities or the formalities that the builder is supposed to fulfill, they fulfill those obligations well in time, be it registration of the property, be it execution of the conveyance deed, essential items like water connection, electricity connection, the sewage connection, everything is taken care of. Purchasers or the buyers or the members of the society needn't worry at all. Because why am I saying this is because I have had a very bad experience in the society where I am presently staying myself. I would not like to name that builder, but I would like to say only one thing, that just he handed over the flats to us and abdicated all his responsibilities. Be it water connection, be it sewage connection, he has refused to even execute the conveyance deed for which we have gone to the consumer court. And we as the gullible members, we've been running around, we have finished the water connection just recently and now we are pursuing the sewage connection. But that is a kind of inconvenience that I've been subject to, which is hardly seen when it comes to Moideen Group. And why this group and its performance stands above our par when it comes to or comparing with the other builders here I've seen is, especially in South Goa, there are no hidden charges, everything is upfront. That is the best thing about it. Be it maintenance, be it legal charges, be it anything and everything is put down on paper right in the beginning and they just abide by that. Whereas I have heard the cases of other builders wherein there are some charges which are sprung up all of a sudden and the members have to, they just are left perplexed. So this is something that has not happened in my case. And there are many examples I have seen in other states where I had some property in Uttarakhand. I bought something, and just because I had not registered it on time and I went back after 10 years, the builder conned me. In the sense, I had to pay him 2 lakh rupees to come to the registrar's office and do the registration. So from all those points of view, when I look at the performance of Moideen's, I find it exemplary, exceptional and too good.